Gordon was waiting with the bandstand. Then there was trouble. "Oh no!" cried Thomas. Gordon was surprised. "I told you I'd get to the Sodor show first." And he puffed proudly away. Thomas puffed up to the haystack. "Cinders and ashes!" he cried. "I've lost the race, and now Sir Topham Hatt's brand new car won't be at the Sodor show on time." Thomas felt terrible. "I must go back to the docks for Rocky," he puffed. Thomas pumped his pistons. Then he stopped. "But I'm not strong enough to pull Rocky on my own," he wished. Gordon puffed proudly back down the line. He had won the race and delivered the bandstand. "Gordon," whistled Thomas, "I need your help." Gordon could see that Thomas was very upset. "Please, Gordon, would you go and collect Rocky? It needs a strong engine like you." Gordon liked everyone to know he was strong. He also liked to help his friend Thomas. So Gordon raced to the docks.